You're watching Shoot Your Shot TV, and today we got more New Balance 990s. Here they are, the New Balance 990 V6 in this black, white, and gray colorway. If you're familiar with the channel, you know we love New Balance over here. And we did previously review the New Balance 990 V6 in the gray colorway. So good, so comfortable, we had to double back and pick up the black pair just to show you guys how it looks on foot. And if you guys didn't catch that episode, we're gonna break down the shoe for you. It's this 990 V6, the latest iteration in the 990 series by New Balance. Comes with this very breathable mesh tongue. You have a New Balance logo right here, 990, and you have V6 in red. More breathable tongue throughout. And on the eye stays right here, it's this synthetic suede or synthetic nubuck material. You have these flat gray laces that it comes with, but it also comes with the tonal black laces as well. And taking us down to the top of the toe box, you have an NB logo surrounded by 3M. You have more of that breathable mesh on the toe box and another 3M hit at the bottom of the toe box before you get to the synthetic suede mudguard. Taking us to the side panel of the shoe, you have more of the synthetic overlays on top of the pigskin overlays. You have this big N logo in 3M with the black trim around it on both sides of the shoe. You have more 3M hits as well. You have a 990 logo surrounded by a silver circle towards the tail end of the shoe. Taking us to the back of the shoe and the heel cup, you have more of that breathable mesh cushioning. You have an NB logo right here in 3M, and it says Made in USA because 70% of the materials for the 990 V6 come from America, made in USA. Love to hear it, love to see it. Taking us to the midsole. This is where it differs from other 990 models. It's more chunky, more thick with the end cap technology, and it houses the fuel cell cushioning system. For those of you who might not know, the fuel cell cushioning system is there to help propel you in your stride. They put it in a lot of their technical runners as well. Taking us to the outsole, you do see that fuel cell logo, and you have this great traction on the bottom as well, which is kind of different from previous 990s as well. The black colorway is one of the more recent colorways in the 990 V6. They first dropped in that gray colorway, which we previously reviewed. And they also dropped the navy colorway. Hopefully we can pick those up down the line as well. They did the Action Bronson collab, which was a beautiful sneaker. Hopefully we can get our hands on those too. These retail for $199, which isn't bad because it's made in USA, quality materials, quality comfort. It's a shoe that's gonna last you a long time, and you're gonna be comfortable and stylish all at once, so you really can't go wrong. Sizing, go true to size in the New Balance, but if you have a wider foot, they do come in different widths, but 9.5 fits perfect for me. Always go with the 9.5 in the New Balance 990 series. And as far as style goes, you can never go wrong with the triple black with the white midsole. It's a really good looking shoe if you wanted, more nighttime activities, want to be more sleek, more incognito, you go with the black over the gray. 3M still gonna reflect in the light. So it's a very subtle shoe, but like I said, it's gonna be stylish and comfortable all at once, so you really can't go wrong. What's your favorite color of the New Balance 990 V6? What other colorways are you hoping that they drop? You hope they do an indigo, vintage indigo. You hope they do the military green. Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you guys. And let's go ahead and try these on.
I'm still getting paid, the 992's gray. Hey, if you know me with it, stay cozy with it. So let's go and get it. Yeah. Slide through in my 992. Ain't nobody do it like I do. Turbo with it like a Porsche. 992. I can never lose my cool. Never lose my cool. Slide through in my 992. Ain't nobody do it like I do. Turbo with it like a Porsche. 992. I can never lose my cool. I don't need your 2 cents. My rent is like 2 rents. I built this from the ground up without any blueprints, without the schematics. I went at it, putting pieces together. They try to break me down, I keep it together. Stacking income, passive income, flipping this and that and then some. Investing in some timeshares for Wyndham. I had to switch up.
If you enjoyed this review on the 990 V6 in the black, white, gray colorway, check out our other New Balance reviews right here. We got a bunch of them for you guys.